Alright everyone, so let's see how we can use apps to design circuits and simulate. So let's take the example of an inverter. It's an inverter circuit is made up of a PMOS and an NMOS. So a PMOS looks something like this, right? And if you have a square wave input, like you have a 0 here and a 1 here, this guy is turned on when a 0 volt is applied at the input, and you will see a current flowing here. And a NMOS looks something like this. So if you have a square voltage applied of 1 volt, and then here it will be turned on. So this is a PMOS and this is an NMOS. So how does the inverter look like? It's a very simple circuit. An inverter is basically a combination of a PMOS and an NMOS connected together. So we have an input applied here. This is the input, and then this will be output, OUT out. And if you have a input waveform, you will have a output waveform with a opposite phase. So very simple inverter circuit which you can use for a quick circuit design, and you see how apps can be used to simulate this design. So let me take you to the simulator app, which is called iCircuit. Okay, so this app is called iCircuit. It can help you design simple circuits. So if you open a new design, at the bottom you will see there are several components you can use to create your own circuits. And then, for example, over here there is a PMOS, there's an NMOS, and so on. So you can use this app and create your inverter circuit just like I have it over here. And I'm going to open this circuit which I designed earlier, and you can see how does the circuit look like, exactly like what I showed you earlier as a PMOS on the top and NMOS on the bottom. I connected a square wave voltage source here, and there's an output resistor over here at the output. So if you want to look into, if you want to simulate the circuit, it's already simulating it in real time. You can stop the simulation. So now the simulation is stopped, and basically on the top right corner there's a play button. When I press the play button, the simulation is turned on, and you can see that the current started flowing from 5 volt supply to the ground from the PMOS. Uh, so let's look into the input and the output. So I click on the input, and then I see a voltage which I am seeing a square wave applied to the input, and then I click on the output resistor here, and I can plot the output voltage. So you can see the yellow over there is the output, and the orange is the input. So you can see the output is a 180-degree out of phase as compared to the input. So very simple circuit and a proof of concept how you can do simple design and do simulate them in real simulators using these apps. Okay, so that's pretty cool. And then with this I complete this demo of this app, and I hope you like this simulator's app is called iCircuit. It is for $10 at the App Store. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.